Hi everyone, I hope you're good guy and welcome for another quick short tips. So this time I want to talk about subtle FM, but it's a good way as well to talk about how to being subtle when you use parameter, you know, because one mistake I used to do and I'm still doing it a lot, usually when you turn a parameter, you straight away go minimum, usually 30%, even sometimes more, and you kind of go super fast to quickly know what the parameter is doing, but sometimes you have to be very gentle and subtle, and that's what's gonna make you sound a bit more original and good. Because for example, I've this one, I've just got a slight FM modulation, and let me remove it. I don't know, this one can sound not bad, but kind of bit basic, and just if you see, I've just applied a little bit of FM, you know, it's 3.1%, and if I go a little bit more, if I go 30% straight away, you see, I've got something a bit more completely different, and which is, can be useful obviously, but just remember, if you have a sound that you like and you want to add a bit of character, usually just going a little bit subtle, and you could even maybe try different kind of modulation can work as well. So yeah, that tip was good as well to remind you. I know I say it a lot, but be gentle with the parameter. Don't jump straight away to 30%. Always remember that a lot can happen in the first value of the macro of your parameter. Alright, I hope you like this quick tips guys. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon. Bye bye.